My name's Eric, and I'm here like live in my room while Benjamin Kendall's sleeping, and it's really funny. It's really funny. He's snoring. Now just take a listen to this. This is like gonna be like the first of my many videos, so like get used to hearing it, cause like I'm so me, and like I don't know. It's kind of funny. Just like get a load of this, okay? Like, we're gonna listen to him snore right now. Say hi to the camera, Ben. You're on video. I made a video and I put it on YouTube, and I called it Ben Snoring. Oh, I'm bad. I'm very bad. I'm a very bad person.